Hey guys, welcome to Nub TV. It's Friday. It's been maybe a 50-hour week at the regular job and another 10 hours here at Nubworks. I'm going to start a little one called F It Friday, and these are just going to be short, non-thought out clips of what I'm doing on a Friday night in the shop. Usually it's just something that I don't need to stress on, and to be creative, either machining, welding, BSing with a buddy because the shop door's open, whatever. It's Friday, so just check this stuff out. I mean, I'm putting some EGT bungs right here on Mr. Richard Cranium's tube manifold. I did not build the manifold. Gabe built it a long time ago now, because this car's been being built for a very long time. Anyway, laying those out. Gonna weld them here in a bit. What else do I got going? Just got this nifty controller for the Tormach mill. I'm not real happy with the controllers, or the controls on the control itself. A little finicky with the USB connection. And this right here, I can get a handheld solution going. Might make some 3D brackets to make a cool mount. What else am I doing? This will be getting continued tomorrow. Been trying to do this for months and months and months. An adapter plate for skunk bolt-on manifolds. These come in feed that are reversible either direction. And they also come in a center feed, which I don't have one, and I need to order one just to have in stock. And the goal here is to make a plate that any Nubworks kit or plenum flange can weld into, and you will be able to adapt the skunk plenum to your Nubworks kit. This is actually going to be an AEB 20 valve big port, and it welds onto the cast manifold. Those kits are in stock on the Nubworks website. Check them out. And yeah, here's what I'm doing on a Friday night. Always need a nice cold beverage. The Everlast welder. What else do I got going? Holding this thing up on the Signal weld table. This thing is sweet, and yeah, we're gonna weld these things up now. I'm not purging them. No, don't care. Got to sand out the little burr from the drill anyway. So, and I'm really not gonna burn through schedule 40. That is what it is. And check it out. Thanks for tuning in on the F It Friday. Alright, all welded up. This is going to work. Tried to get them all in a straight line for the most part. If you want to see inside, I don't know if you can. All I got to do is sand the drill through. There's no sugar because I cannot get hot enough to get through the schedule 40. Aaron will be by in the morning to pick this up. Let's see if he can make a pass. Maybe this fall here for a little shakedown A to B cruise on The car he's been building a few years. What else do I got? Oh, have you guys seen these? Hourglass Ingenuity. You ever break your ferret cup? Think it's in your holder, drop it on the ground, slap. There goes 50 bucks. I've done it. Guess what, look, check this out. It's reversible. You can do it either way. Put the magnet for underneath or whatever you want. Magnets for your leads on your table. These are pretty trick. Just out there supporting dudes like me that make things that we all need. Anyway, that's all we got for the F It Friday this week. Stay tuned for more videos and whatever I'm doing throughout. I'm going to try to get better at editing and making better content, but the F It Fridays might just get a little bit of stuff out there for everybody. And right on. Everybody have a good weekend.